Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bells.
This is a Christmas nutcracker. It's originated from the German folklore. It's believed to give strength and protection to the family. Yeah, they're typically given as keepsakes to bring good luck and protection. So why are they called nutcrackers? Do they look like nuts? No. But that's because nutcrackers were originally in the shape of birds, animals and soldiers. And they were used in dining entertainment to crack nuts like pecans and hazelnuts during dining entertainment. So that's how it became very widely popular in Germany. So now we know why it's called the nutcracker that looks like a toy soldier.
It's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
Do you know that these plants, known as poinsettia, are actually modified leaves? Yeah, they are usually in flaming red, but they can also come in pink or even green. Okay. And even marble. This looks a bit like marble. Yeah. So how did they achieve this flaming red leaf? They have to deprive the plant of not receiving any light for 12 hours a day, 5 days in a row, in order to achieve this red flaming effect. And this developmental response is none other known as the photoperiodism. So cool, right? Okay, let's modify it to purple or even orange.
Later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree.
Hi guys, we have come to the end of the tour at Gardens by the Bay. We hope you enjoyed this Poinsettia Wishes floral display tour at Gardens by the Bay, which runs from 27th November to 3rd of January 2021. So do come on down here with your family and friends, and I'm sure you will love this place very, very much. Okay, with that we shall wish all our friends a blessed and Merry Christmas. Bye!